guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell icon to get our future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this new variation of traditional Saree Kuchu design. These are the new variety of beads that we have got, so I've used those in this design. So if you're wondering where to purchase them, they are all available on our website. So please do check out www.naughtythreads.com. You can also install the app on your phone. So without any delay, let's get started. I am going to use these beads and I have taken 8 strands of silk thread in the needle and kept one end long and the other end short. So we'll start with the beads. Now this design has multiple steps, so you'll have to make sure to leave this a little longer so that it becomes easier for us to make the knots. So I'm going to place it at 1 finger distance. So this is going to be our first step. We'll add beads like this throughout the saree. See, almost like so much length of thread I'm going to leave, and then make a knot right below the bead. So same way you will have to continue throughout. One finger gap. Go back into the bead and then make a knot. So this will be our first step. So this is the second step. After you make knots like this in the first step, we'll have to divide it, like split it into 2 equal halves. And join both the halves and then make a knot. Using a needle would help you place the knot wherever you want. So there has to be some thread here so that the saree doesn't get wrinkled. Don't worry if the beads are bending, it will be straight once you finish the entire saree. You'll have to keep in mind to use the complete, all the strands in the beginning of the saree. See, the first bead, if this is the starting of the saree, if you're going to start like this, you'll have to use all the strands from here and then split the second one into half. Do the same thing when you're ending the saree. So keep splitting and then make these knots. This will be the second step. So once you're done with this step, now for the next step, we'll just join these two and make a knot. So this will be the third step of knotting. That's why it becomes important to leave the strands longer so that it will be easy for us to work with the knots. So this is the final step and this is where we are going to tie the bunches. At this stage the saree might look a little wrinkled, but it will be fine once you tie the bunches. I've started adding the tassels here. Now for this design I have left it a little longer. It's about 1.5 inch long, and I've used 2 colors. If you wish, you can do it in single color or 2 colors or even more. Now since we already have so much thread here, I've just taken 100 strands of each color. I've glued the end and I have straightened it using a hair straightener so that the tassels are nice and straight. So just add the tassel here. In the needle, you will have to take 1 strand and make it into 2 to tie the bunch. Knot it 3 times. And then pass the needle below the zari and trim the tassel. So how I measure is until this line of my finger. You can use any technique to maintain the length. So that's how you will finish. And here is the final look of this design. I have used about 57 beads, which means you will need about 20 grams. So the number of beads you will need might change depending on the distance you are placing them. So for the distance I have placed, I have used about 57. And when you're tying the bunches, it's totally optional. You can keep them short like baby kuchu or leave it long. Both will look good with this design. So I hope you guys like this new variation of traditional kuchu. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want to know me personally, we have another channel where we vlog. So please do subscribe to that channel as well and support us. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay tuned guys. Bye bye.